Hello po, ako po si Jolene. I'm from Australia and my boyfriend is from California. Now it's already 6:28 p.m. and my boyfriend's already 1 a.m. morning. You wanna meet my boyfriend? Here is. He's sleeping. There you go. Oh, mahimbing ang tulog ng aking baby. Oops, gising na siya. Kaya maingay. Ang tulog yan, no? I love this guy very much. It's so meaningful to me. Puyat yan, ilang gabi na. Binantayan ako kasi I'm still sick. For 3 days, binantayan niya ako ng binantayan. That's it. Puyat na puyat. Cute. Wish ko sana nandito lang siya. Sana nakakatabi ko rin siya. He's my everything. I love this guy so much.